Hello, welcome back to another video, and this is Bikash more movie for you. And let's start our shadow English, and we will try teach together with this slideshow. Okay, and just yeah, lately work been pretty busy. I have had a lot of meeting, and it feel like there is always something else to do. I am trying not to stretch too much thought and just take things one step at a time. Number 2 slide. This weekend I am planning to take it easy. I don't really want to do anything too busy. I might meet a friend, catch up on some rest, and just relax at home. And the last one. Every morning I wake up around 7 a.m. and I check my phone for messages, but I try not to stay on it too long. I make coffee, stand by the window, and let my brain wake up. If I rush too much in the morning, my whole day feels off. By the time I start work, I want things to feel clean and organized. Sometimes the day goes exactly as planning. At the time, every changing by noon. That's just how life works. So, dear friend, I have been already finished my presentation, but if I want to share all the detail, lately this first para is lately work has been pretty busy, and I had a lot of time meeting. Sometime we are spending in the whole day in busy for working purpose in the office time. I have a lot of time in meeting, and sometime we are spending a meeting in our office, and in that time we don't think about that how many time we are spending in the meeting, and we are forget about that how is going on day in very fast. And number second, this is the weekend, and what we are doing exactly in the same thing in every weekend, like that this weekend is star days. Happy star will be the next later, then I will planning like that. I am planning to take it easy, and I don't really want to do anything too busy because this is the Easter Easter Sunday, and I will enjoy with my friend and family and together, and that's why I'm taking to rest and just relax at home. And the other thing, this is the our daily activity where we are spending lot of time in the uh, same same day, like that every morning we are wake up in morning and check our phone. This is our regular activity, and our mind will be depend from our planning what will be in doing in the whole day. It's our planning. After, if our mood is not fresh, and then we cannot go through with the planning. So that's why it's very essential for mind tracing. So dear friend, we have already done our presentation, so don't worry, we will catch up in very practical day, and we will learn together. So no more today, bye.